Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back and welcome if you're new to my booktube channel, Pretty Little Bibliophile. I'm Nika and I generally make book related videos, but today's video, as you can see from the title, is going to be something different. It's going to be more so lifestyle slash fashion oriented, and I think this is sort of like a rite of passage. If you move to Delhi, or even if you're visiting Delhi, I mean almost everyone who likes this stuff generally tends to go to Kamla and Sarojini. So I did as well, and today I'm going to show you the things that I got recently in the last two visits. I visited Kamla once, I visited Kamla twice, and I visited Sarojini twice as well. So I'm going to show you all the things I bought. It's all a mixture: clothes, a pair of shoes, bag, and just one pair of jhumka. But I'm going to show you everything, and I hope you enjoy. And click on the like button if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. But without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I want to share is this top that I'm wearing. It's a very simple top, high neck, and it folds once, so it's very long and you have to fold it once, and it's pretty decent and I really love it. And I think since it's winter, it serves as a basic piece that goes under any sleeveless like string tops, string dresses even. I think it works well and I definitely like it. And I also think black really makes you look much more thinner, and that is definitely a silhouette that I strive for, especially in my tummy area, if you understand. So definitely love this top, and this is actually my first time wearing it, so I'm really loving it. And I would definitely say that this has been a steal deal. I got it for 100 rupees. So yeah, I got it in Kamla. I got it for 100. Moving on, the next thing that I got in Kamla is this simple white t-shirt, sort of like, but it's woolen though. It's however not very thick, so this serves as a really nice top on the days when you don't feel like wearing a sweater either, but it's just a bit chilly, and this has been serving me well. There's also this sort of lace in the front which really elevates the design. It's not very casual because of this, and it's full sleeve, quite long enough I would say, and I got this for 100 as well. Then the other white top wear I got was this long high neck sweater. As you can see, it's very long, so it forms this sort of bunch. It bunches around your neck, which I think really makes I really like that look. So it serves me well at least, and otherwise it's very casual and something that I would say definitely it's a casual wear. It's not very fancy, of course, and for 100 rupees, this one was 100 as well. For 100 rupees, it definitely is worth it. And yeah, it really goes well with a blue pair of jeans. You can just sort of tuck it in near your waistband, and it just gives that oversized look, effortless and yet chic. So I really like this sweater, and I think it's definitely worth it. Then the next thing that I got in Kamla that I absolutely adore is this pencil skirt, this is the back side. Okay, so this is this woolen pencil skirt. It's got a cable knit design, as you can see. It's quite long, and there is a slit at the bottom and the back. This one was for 200, and I really love it. It's really thick material as well, so it's not see-through at all. It's comfortable, and it's long enough that it provides you enough coverage in the winter. I haven't yet worn it outside. I definitely will. I want to buy a pair of boots, black boots, so that I can wear it with a long pencil skirt. But as you can see, it's quite long, and I definitely love it. It came for just 200, and I think definitely worth it. I would consider it a steal deal. So yeah, love this. So the next purchase that I got in Kamla is this beautiful jacket. As you can see, it looks a lot like Chanel tweed, and I really like it. I got it for 200. The buttons are not visible actually, as you can see. If I like put this one, so this jacket is definitely one of my favorites. I think it really elevates the look. If I was wearing this for instance today over this nice simple black high neck top, and it really elevated my look. I think I definitely love it, and for 200 I think it was definitely worth it. Lastly, from Kamla, I got this nice pencil dress. I need to I will probably wear it in a New Year's party. Let's see what happens. But this one also came for just 200. It's got a bit of shoulder padding here, and it's full sleeve as well with 2 buttons at the back, which I think really look great. So in a way, it's for party wear as well as formal wear. It's quite long. It's long enough, so it's decent as well, and I love it. And there is a slight slit at the bottom, not too huge, but good enough. So I definitely like it. Again, for 200, it was definitely worthy deal, I would say, for 200 with the shoulder pads and everything, and it looks quite great as well. So yeah. So on Diwali, I went out to buy a golden pant that would go with my kurti. It's a very generic golden pant, so I'm not going to show it here. So like everybody has that. But I came across this shop that was getting rid of its old pair of shoes, obviously, and I came across this pair of really nice heels, surprisingly, at just 100 rupees. I have worn it just once, so I just figured, you know, since they're selling it for 100, it must be old stock that they're getting rid of. And I was like, theek hai, for one day I can buy it for Diwali, for the Diwali party. And I did. I got this for just 100, and I mean, it's going strong. I don't see it breaking anytime soon, and I definitely love it. And I think for 100, I thought it would be for just a one-time use. एक बार पहनने के बाद खराब हो जाएगा, but it's still going strong. So for 100, definitely worth it. Moving on to my Sarojini haul, the first thing I want to show is this beautiful top, which is kind of, I don't know what you call it, ribbed. Is it called ribbed? Because it's like the one that's tight and fits to your body. I really like it, and it's sort of like a pastel blue and really sticks to your body, and I think it's really aesthetic. I got it for 200. However, I'm told that I should have bargained for it because it's worth just 100. So I got it for 200. I should have bargained. Let me know what you think. But overall, I really do love it, and I have worn it already a few times, and I just feel really good when I wear it. I feel very confident. So I would say definitely, I mean, it was okay. It was worth it because of the confidence I feel when I wear it. I can deal with the 200 rupees that I spent on it. Then moving on, I got another sweater in Sarojini, and this one is a beautiful mustard yellow color. As you can see, cable knit, simple with full sleeves. I got this one for 200, and again, another piece of cloth that I really like, because in winters it's already so dreary and dry and very sad, I feel like. So if I just wear a blue jeans or even a black pair of jeans and then this bright yellow sweater, it's going to pop. It's really going to pop and make me feel good as well. I mean, I really like wearing bright colors as much as I can without looking too tacky during winters, just to elevate my mood. So yeah, definitely love it. And for 200, I think this was definitely a good enough buy. It feels very new. I got this from like a retail shop, so not the street vendors. So I mean, they charged me 200 for it. I don't know if it's worth it. Let me know, whoever has shopped in Sarojini or Kamla many times before. You guys are going to be the experts. So let me know if the 200 I spent on this was worth it. I feel it is, but you guys are the experts, so let me know. But overall, I really do love it. Then I got another sweater, which was just for 80 rupees. This one, I don't feel like it's very good quality, but for everyday wear, this was really good. It's this green, and I don't know if you guys know, but green is my favorite color. So I really quite like this green. It's a full sleeve, as you can see, and it's quite long as well. Yeah, and the neck is quite long, so it folds, and it makes the look really nice, I think. Let me show you. So it folds like this, and there's a bit of design on the front. This one for 80, I think this was definitely a worthy buy. I don't wear it outside generally. I wear it inside my home only, just whenever I'm feeling cold in the mornings or anything like that. And yeah, moving on, I also got a really nice trench coat. It really reminded me of the K-dramas, of what the girls wear in K-dramas, and I think they look very beautiful. And it is this beautiful coat, which came for 300 rupees, and once again, when I tie the buttons, they're invisible, like they're hidden buttons, so it just is a very sleek minimalist look, and I feel very nice when I wear it. I definitely feel like the main character. it's quite long as well, so I definitely think that for 300 this was a good enough price. I don't think even after bargaining that they'll go below 300 for quotes. So this was definitely something I really loved, and I'm really happy that I bought it, and I'm really looking forward to winter, especially because I get to wear this and maybe the long skirt. It's going to be really nice. Lastly, in Sarojini I got 2 pairs of kurta sets. So it's like in one set you get the kurta and the pajama as well. One set was just for 250, so I got 2 of them just for casual, because you need to have a couple of kurtas at hand, you know. And it's this, it looks a bit mussed up, but that's because I washed it and, you know, folded it, so I need to iron it. But anyway, it's a simple kurta. As you can see, what is it called? Straight kurta? I don't even know. It falls just under my knee, I think. And the pant is also a similar design, same fabric. And yeah, the fit is not that good, however, I do have to say. So I might have to go and alter the kurta a bit, because these kurtas are quite big on me. They're a bit loose, so I have to alter them and make them smaller. But overall I do like them, and for usual casual, you know, wear, I think they're really great. I got this other one in blue with orange design, so this one is also one I really like. And same goes for the not patiala, the pant with it basically. So yeah, it's nice enough for casual wear for 250 rupees, definitely worth it. And yeah, that's it. Lastly, my dad also gifted me just 1 pair of jhumka, and I think it is definitely very aesthetic. I really am looking forward to wearing them in college, or maybe, you know, whenever I want to dress up in something traditional. And I really like them, and they're quite beautiful as well. I think would elevate any simple kurta or whatever traditional wear I am wearing. Then the last thing I got in Sarojini is this beautiful bag. I got it for 300, and I thought I would buy a black one, but then I was like, no, black is too generic, let me just get one color which I really like. So I was definitely in the mood for pastel this past days. Obviously, as you can see, I got that blue nice top, ribbed top, and I got this pastel green bag as well. Really like it, and it served me well when I'm wearing an all black outfit, which is quite often. This really spices it up and makes me look really, makes it really pop basically. So yeah, definitely worth it. So that's it guys, we have reached the end of this video. I had a lot of fun filming it, especially because I generally don't do any of these lifestyle or fashion stuff, but let me know if you enjoy it. I think I am not going to shop anymore for the foreseeable future, because I have too many clothes, and that's enough. I mean, the ones I have are enough, and they'll probably last me for the whole winter. That's my plan. I hope to save money from now on. I've wasted a lot on clothes and unnecessary things, but yeah, it's also important that you know how to budget yourself. I've learned that, especially now that I'm living alone and managing everything. So anyway, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon down below to support me. It would mean a lot to me. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you again very soon. Until then, take care, peace out, bye.